Okay, so let's see what's happening here. So V is an uptrend where this is losing momentum. Then 50 MA is too far. This is a long, strong trend. I think it is rejected from below the 2 deviation, which has happened once, but I have to put it below 2 deviation. I can't do it. I will not do it. Yeah, I could not do it. This is also a very strong key level, but you say it was so close to it. This has to be a bullish candle, then only I'll consider it a pullback. So it has been a pullback. When it's a pullback, expect it to go up, but then there's a lot of gap in between. I would expect it to go up, but it actually closed exactly at 2 deviation, and it got rejected from 20 EMA, at least initially. So not enough time to put it as a bullish candle. Still so weak. Closed at half of previous. It all depends on where this one closes. See. Now this one closed exactly at this one. So this is a consolidation. And in consolidation, you have to go towards the major trend, which is upwards, but you have to find the right level to do to trade. And this is the right level. I know it could have been done below this round number, would have been really good. But this is still consolidation, you have to understand that. And it is overdue to go upwards. So it did go and cross it. I have to understand that it was not so strong. Really small candles. I don't want to play here. Even if it is trying to go, it's still very small candles. I would rather stop here and come back after a bit than, or at least find something else. So many indicators here to clean it up. What do you say? This is a round number. This is 50 evening star. 15 down. It is going down, but I think it's also a kind of a retracement to this key level. You see, this is the key level. It got retraced to a key level, which means it will probably go back up, but the major trend is downwards, though it is above Bollinger Band 1 deviation, and this is also kind of a support level. So this is an engulfing candle in some way, and if it has to cross this, if it crosses, then you know that it is going upwards again, and that was just a retracement. This was a retracement for sure. This is a round number where it stopped, and the minor downtrend is still upwards. However, this close this was stopped at too close to the comfort level. So I would, yeah, it's not a very nice candle to go for another bullish trade, even though the minor trend is upwards. There has to be one more retracement to, so it also stopped at this level. It got rejected by this retracement. It's a strong retracement. Then I have to go here. If it is rejected here, and it actually got rejected here, so it has to go up, but I could not find a right entry point because this is the area which it conquered to go back to. Now if it gets rejected from this one and a strong bullish candle, this is a key level rejection, and it's a strong bullish candle, which stops very close to 20 EMA, 20 EMA being flat, getting flatter, and 2 deviation is still close, but you have to understand that there was a small gap. Rest gap is not enough. Let's see if the previous one has given you some better solution here. This is a strong support level, or actually a key level, because here it got a change of polarity. Again, so this is a key level. This is again showing some upwards trend, though it's gone flat. I would say this is Harami, but I will not read it. So you have to now understand here what key levels we have. This is a really strong candle breakout, closing towards 2 deviation, a strong key level with a combination of, with a conjunction of a round number, but this was too strong, so I would wait till here, it to come till here, if not here, to get down. Even this level is good, but if it doesn't go to that level, I will not trade it. This was more of a sure shot, but the thing is, the sure shot, it has to stop somewhere in between here not so strong. Because it is a minor trend and major trend both are upwards. So I will not take the risk. And I was right. So now it is a breakout. It was good candles. This is shaven head, overbought area. So I will not really count it as a strong point to go upwards. But it's a strong candle, so I cannot simply call it a retracement or a fake breakout because this was really a strong candle. It was more than a hammer. And this is again going above the middle Bollinger Band, crossing the middle Bollinger Band. So now you see that this is what? Dark, dark cloud cover. And in dark cloud cover, if it goes beyond this, it's kind of a sure shot. Yeah, I know it is a strong level. I still have to do it above 2 deviation. This was a dark cloud cover, but there were no wicks on it, so that was a bit of risky. This was a really good dark cloud cover. Now you have to understand that if it's a dark cloud cover and the second candle also is a strong candle, then I can play it well. So now this is becoming sure shot combo 1. It is kind of an NRS, no rejection setup. It is strong uptrend and still there's a scope to go here. So I would go for, but then I don't see a point where I should do call. I'll do the call here. It's quite strong point. This is the level where it stopped actually. It has broken it 2 times. I would just lose it. Let's see what should I do next. Look at this was also a dark cloud cover. I think last one was a more of a FOMO trade. I could have avoided it or traded it above below this point. So now this comes all the way down to 20 EMA. A strong comeback. It crosses this level strongly. So it is, but you have to understand that this was not a rejection from level 2. This is more of a sure shot one, but there has been price action in the past, so I would use this level as a support level. You have to understand that this was a really strong support level where it stopped here. So if you see in a 5-minute chart, this was a support level, or maybe I would say 2-minute chart. So maybe I was lucky, but I used this as my support level, and it